In this video, I will show you how to target certain HTML elements using the ID of the element within your JavaScript code. Now, to add JavaScript code to your HTML, one way to do that is if you have a separate file for your JavaScript code, you can add within the head element something like this. You can add a script tag, then you specify the source where your JavaScript is located. And so let's say we have a file called dom.js, and in this case it's located in the same directory as this HTML code. And then basically you would close the script tag. Okay, so you would do this if you have a separate JavaScript file. Now we're not going to do that, so instead we will add the JavaScript inside the body element of your HTML. So to add your JavaScript, again you need script tag, and of course you don't want to forget to close it, so I typically close it before I continue, and then I go inside the script tag. Okay, so what we plan to do here is we will, as you can see, if I were to run this, all it's displaying is the h2 element and what's inside it, which is DOM practice. It doesn't, there is a paragraph here, but since it's empty, it's not displayed in my browser window. And so I will add something within my paragraph here, again using JavaScript. Instead of typing it here, I will use JavaScript to add it. Okay, so with the DOM model, remember that anytime you want to access things within your HTML, you want to precede it with document. So document dot, now we are going to get this paragraph ID, which is an attribute for paragraph element. So we're going to say get element by ID, and then since we already have the ID that we want to target, we will put it here, so which is demo. So in quotes we're going to put demo, and so we're saying get this particular paragraph because we already know the ID for it, so we're going to target this particular paragraph. And what we will do, we will add, for example, something that says hello world inside it. So to go inside the HTML for this particular one, we're going to use something called inner element. So inner HTML. So we say go inside this paragraph, and what we will do is we will display the text hello world. And you don't want to forget your semicolon to close it. So if we run this, you see how it's displaying hello world, because again we are using JavaScript to target this particular element using the ID, using getElementById demo, and then we are adding to the HTML hello world.